Warning, do not get the F-14 Spear 16 Demon on your ass in Mario Kart. Yeah, you're seeing my Ace Combat Spear 16 Demon. This thing's ready to kick your ass in racing. You know you're gonna die to it. Yeah, look at that big hefty beast coming up against you guys. Yeah, my Spear 16 Demon. She ain't pretty. And you want to get into a race up against her, you're gonna die. My Midnight Spear 16 Demon. Do not be fucking with me in this game with this thing. Yeah, fucking Spear 16 Demon. F-14 Spear 16 Demon. Let's see, select another aircraft of mine. Let's see, my F2A. Go back the fuck off. Right, GTFO. Oh. GTFO, the Spear 16 Demon. The Air Force 6 crossout bad boy. Fanboy dropping the XFA 27. Let's preview this little bastard. Oh, you want to see my XFA 27 in Mario Kart? You're going to prepare for hell. It's called my Prepare for Hell. I'll give you the final preparations for hell with this thing. It's one last thing you don't want to be fucking with is me when I have a fucking XFA 27 in Mario Kart. You won't want to know what kind of bullshit I can put you through. Oh, the customized Psycho SU-33. Oh, my Blackout 9. The Blackout 9. This thing would be a nice racer to deal with. But yeah, certain Mario characters would be scared of the Blackout 9. Because my Blackout 9 is a real Blackout 9 demon. I can start heckling people with a fucking railgun in this game. F-16. Oh, the wolf comes out on this bastard. We're a bastard and a half people with this thing. Yeah, I could bastardize people in Mario Kart. I get an F-16 in it. It's say goodnight, I'm a missile craze. I'm gonna blow your ass up. You better be careful if you see Ace Combat vehicles show up at Mario Kart. You better run your ass to hell, because there won't be anybody to spare you in this one. Oh, the F-18E. Oh, shit. This thing's gonna fuck people up if you see the Spear 15 Top Gun Maverick F-18E come up out of nowhere. You see those freaking nasty ass claw marks on my tails. You better back the fuck off, because I could drop the sins on yo ass. I put your character's go-kart marked with the sins and unknown. Oh, my F-16. This is where you don't want to be fucking with me. When I have the F-16 Patriotic Edition come out, you're really going to see the nightmare. Up and out of nowhere comes the patriotic red, white, and blue beast. The star-spangled crasher of planes. Let's see what other planes I could be hiding against you guys. Oh, my Strike Raptor. This thing's going to be shitting on you guys in racing. You don't want to see the FB-22 taking a shit on you in racing. Because this thing could shit on you from high altitude. Could fucking shit on you at high speed. Yeah, this is called the Strider of Doom. The Doom Strider. FB-22 Strike Raptor's Doomstrider. The Doomstrider is an ugly bastard to be fucking with. You gotta be see this thing eating you guys up in a race. Alright. This is called the Volcanic Maltresion. This thing is an ugly bitch. Yeah. No 2 on the bitch. But my plane's got a number. My F-14D's got a freaking number 16 on the motherfucker. This is another one of my F-14s I can fuck somebody up with. But you better back the fuck off when I get an aircraft in Mario Kart. You're gonna die. Payback's a bitch. The FB-22 Strike Raptor. The Poison Banknote. The Poisonous $100 bill. This is called my Poisonous $100 bill FB-22 Strike Raptor. Called the Fuck You Pay Me. Oh, business is bad? Fuck you pay me. It's payback time, bitch. I'm gonna be bitching you guys of that plane, too. Quit bitching about shit, dude. Oh, my 4-shot missile specialist. Oh, my other Spear 16 4-shot demon. This is called the 4-shot power shift demon F-14. You don't want to be messing with 2 Spear 16 demons. Oh, you don't want to be messing with a dude with a lynch on his plane. Because your ass is going to get hung. Oh, yeah, you guys are to get lynchpinned by this bitch. This is my hangman lynchpin. Don't be fucking with the dude with the lynchpins on his plane. That 8-shot lynch, my 4 to 8-shot lynchpins are some fucking lynchpins in this game that can literally put the noose on your pilot's neck. Yeah, this is a freaking lynchpin and a half in this game. You don't want to see the lynchpin and a half Ace Combat planes come up against anybody that's got a go-kart. They're nothing up against a lynchpin and a half. Oh, another one of my F-14 lynchpins. Uh-oh, you don't want to be fucking with lynchpins in this game. Because I can lynchpin you with an F-14 in racing. But if I had to integrate this into Mario Kart, yeah, my aircraft would be such a fucking linchpin that your character would fucking hang themselves. And wish you never took me on in a race with an F-14. You guys that see this lynchpinning beast come up against anybody in Mario Kart and fucking lynchpin them. Don't get lynchpinned by a Eurofighter either. Uh-oh. My missile launching lynchpins in this game are some fucking lynchpin and a halves. You want to be fucking with a lynchpin demon. Don't be fucking with the Eurofighter Typhoon. This thing can fucking lynchpin you. You don't want to see me fucking lynchpinning people. Oh, yeah, my goodness, this isn't going to be a bastard and a half. I would paint this thing red. I'm going to turn this fucking thing red. The Bloodstar. The SR-72 Bloodstar. Oh, my Bloodstar is here. This thing is a nasty lynchpin and a half Bloodstar. It's called the Dark Bloody Star. The American-made Bloody Dark Star. This is called the Bloodstar for a reason because I can scare the shit out of people with the Bloodstar. Yeah, look at the fucking Bloodstar come up out of nowhere and haunt you guys with pulse lasers and missiles. You guys want to see some haunting shit? Meet up with a Darkstar pilot, like my character from Ace. Meet up with Trigger, stick with him, you'll get things done, and you'll survive longer because he's got fast vehicles. You don't want to be fucking with the wrong pilots in racing. Fucking Bloodstar. Oh, look at this. This is the shit stack of the planes. Rooster's flying shit stack. Maverick and Rooster's flying shit stack at Top Gun Maverick. Look at the flying shit stack now. Oh, it's got the freaking Maverick logo. Oh, fuck. The shit stack is on. The fucking flying shit stack. This thing's a fucking shit stack to fly. Let's change the style of this bitch. The Strider Squad? Nah, fuck that shit. Spare? Fuck it. Mage Squad? Fuck you. Original 3? Nope. Original 2. OG? Nah, I don't want to go with OG 1 or 2. I gotta go with OG 3. Spec weapon. Let's see if I got an 8-shot fucker on this thing yet. Nope. I don't have any 8 shots. I need to update this fucking F-14.